Now our topic is method of least squares. The method of least square is a device of finding the equation of a specified type of curve which best fits for a given set of observations. This method depends in principle of least squares. By using this least squares method, we are going to find the equation of specified type of curve. That means it may be straight line, maybe parabola or exponential curve, any curve. Okay, by using the principle of least square. Now we see the principle of least square. The sum of squares of difference between the observed and corresponding estimated values should be minimum. In last topics in chi-square, okay, in chi-square distribution, we see the difference between observed and estimated values. Here also, the observed values and estimated values, the difference between these two values. Let the difference between these two values and then find the square and sum all the square values. Then it should be minimum. So ఈ వాల్యూ దేనికైతే మినిమం అవుతుందో అప్పుడు లీస్ట్ ఎర్రర్ ఉన్నట్లు అర్థం. కాబట్టి what is the principle of least square? The sum of squares of difference between the observed and corresponding estimated values should be minimum. This is the principle of least squares. By using this least square method, we are going to fit a straight line. We know that the straight line equation is the first degree equation in x and y. Okay, let x is a plus by be the line of x and y. In terms of xy, it indicated a line. X is equal to a plus by, where ab are constants. Find ab. If we find ab values, then we get a straight line. So for this purpose, we use the following equations, which are called normal equations. The normal equations are sigma x is equal to na plus b sigma y. Sigma xy is equal to a sigma y plus b sigma y square. Here we have given x values, y values, data. X values, y values. By using these two equations, we are going to find the two unknowns a and b. Okay, let y is equal to ax plus b. The line of equation. See the question here. Determine the equation of a straight line which best fits in the data. Which best fits the data. A given data ki best fit ga undetatu straight line. అంటే ఎర్రర్ లీస్ట్ ఎర్రర్ ఉండేటట్టు. దట్ మీన్స్ బెస్ట్ ఫిట్ అంటాం. ఎర్రర్ తక్కువ ఉంది అంటే లెస్ ఎర్రర్ మీన్స్ బెస్ట్ ఫిట్. Determine the equation of straight line which best fits the data. These are x values and these are y values. How many pairs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is 7 here. So equation of straight line, let y is equal to a plus bx. The normal equations are sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x and sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Okay. Now we need to get these two equations. We need sigma y value, sigma x value, sigma xy value, sigma x square. So we need sigma x square, sigma x, sigma y from tables. This is x, this is y. Then you find x into y values, then x square values. So here we need these four values, sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square. So by using this data, frame the table to get normal equations. First x values, then x square, y values, x into y. 10, first column, 10 into 10, 100. Next x into y means second values, 12 into 22 which is 264. Next 13 into 24, 312. 16 into 27, 432. 17 into 29, 493. 20 into 33, 660. 25 into 37 is equal to 925. Okay, ma? Now add similarly x square value. 10 square, 100. 12 square, 114. 13 square, 169. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 20 square, 400. 25 square, 625. Now from these columns we get sigma x value. Add all this value, we get sigma x, which is 113. Add all these x square values, we get sigma x square, which is 1983. Adding all these value, we get 1983, which is sigma x square. Similarly, y values, add all these value, we get 182, which is denoted by sigma y. Similarly, add all these xy values, we get 3186, which is sigma xy. So sigma xy is 1386. 1386. Okay, ma? 1386. Okay, ma? Now we find. Now you substitute these all values in normal equation. You get. Substitute these values in the above normal equations. We get 7a plus 113b is equal to 182. Then second equation, 113a plus 1983b is 3186. So solve these two values. Solving 1 into, we get a is equal to 0.8 and b is equal to 1.56. Okay, solving 1 and 2, we get a is equal to 0.8, b is equal to 1.56. Now fit these values, substitute in straight line. Equation of straight line, what is that? Y is equal to a plus bx. Substitute a value, b value. Y is equal to a means 0.8 plus bx means 1.56 into x. So this is the required straight line, which is the best fit for the given data. Next, see the second problem. From the sample of 200 pairs of observation, the following quantities were calculated. Sigma x is equal to 11.34. Sigma y is 20.78. Sigma x square is 12.16. Sigma y square is 84.96. Sigma xy is equal to 22.13. That means already we have given required values. In previous problem, suppose we have given xy values only. We frame the table and find these all values, but in this problem we have given these all values. So substitute these values in normal equations directly, we get a and b. From the above data, show how to compute the coefficients of equation y is equal to a plus bx. See the solution. Equation of straight line is y is equal to a plus bx. The normal equations are sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. And the second one is sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Now substitute all the values, sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square. What are that values? Sigma x is 11.34, sigma y is 20.78, sigma x square 12.16, sigma y square 84.96, sigma xy is 22.13. Substitute all these values in these two equations. We get 20.78 is equal to, this is sigma y is equal to, n is 200 ichinaru, a plus b sigma x. Sigma x is 11.34. Then sigma xy is equal to, what is sigma xy here? This one. A is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x. We substitute these values. It can be written as the straight line first equation. First equation can be written as, in terms of a, 200a is equal to, this is only first equation. This one, sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x value. So from this equation, first equation, 200a is equal to 20.78 minus 11.34b is equal to 200a. Okay, cancel by 200, you get a value is equal to both sides. You divide both sides by 200, you get a is equal to 0.1039 minus 0.0567b. This is from first equation. Write A in terms of B, equation 1. Then second equation, second normal equation, substitute the value sigma xy, sigma x square. We get this equation. Now substitute A value in this second equation. What you get? LHS is same, 11.34, A value 0.1039 minus 0.567b plus the last term 12.16b. You get this number equal to constant 11.34 into this one. You get 1.178, 11.34 into this value into b. You get minus is here 0.643b plus last term as it is 12.16b. Okay. Now these two b's, these two constants. From this you get, bring this side, this one, 22.13 minus 1.178 is equal to 20.952 and 12.16b minus 0.643b is equal to 11.517b. Now b is equal to LHS by 11.517, which is 1.82. 1.82. Now we get 1.82. B is equal to. Substitute this B value in equation 1. We get A value. Okay. Substitute this B value in 1. We get B is, what is B? 1.82. Substitute this B value in 1. If this is 1, substitute this B value, you get A. A is equal to 0.00307. Okay. The question is how to find AB values. So we get AB values here, A value and B value. We substitute in the line equation. Sorry. We get a line equation. Y is equal to AX plus B. Substitute in the equation these two values, we get a straight line. See the next one. In the following table, S is weight of potassium bromide, which will dissolve in 100 grams of water at V degrees centigrade. Fit an equation of the form S is equal to MT plus B by the method of least squares. Use this relation to estimate S when T is equal to 50 degrees. The given data is this. T values, S values. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 54, S values. 65, 75, 85, 96. You observe, just in place of X and Y, we have given T and S. T and S. You assume T is X and S is Y. Then what is the equation of straight line? Y is equal to AX plus B. Like that, S is equal to AT place lo MT better. A place lo M better ante MT plus B. Okay. See here T value means X values. dt is T by 40 by 100. dt square is equal to square of these values. We get 16 minus 2 whole square 4, 0, 4, 16. Then S values given in the table. Given in the table. What are the values? These values, S values. 54, 65 and so on. So, these are S values. ds, S minus 75 by 10. You get these values. Now ds square is whole square of this value, which is 4.41. Now minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 0 square, 1 square 1, 2.1 square 4.41. Now dt into ds. dt into ds. Minus 4 into minus 2.1. Both are minus. You get plus 8.4. Then dt minus 2 into minus 1. You get product 2 into 1 with minus minus. You get 2 into 1 with minus minus plus 2. Then 0 into anything is 0 next one. Sorry ma, this is 0.0. Next one 0.0. By mistake 3.0 and okay. Then 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 4, you get this one. So, you observe ma, here m is equal to sigma dt ds by sigma dt square. M value in place of a we have m. M is equal to, use this formula, 20.8 by 40, which is 0.52. B is given by the equation sigma s is equal to m sigma t plus nb. Okay, along with the sigma y is equal to a sigma x plus nb. A sigma x plus nb. మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం, sigma y is equal to na nb plus a sigma t. A constants ఎలా అయినా మార్చు. Substitute these values. Sigma s is 375 is equal to m value 0.52 into 200 plus 5, this one. That implies in this equation only b is unknown. In this equation only b is unknown. Now 5b is equal to 375 minus this value, and b is equal to sum of this value by 7. After calculation you get b is equal to 54.2. When t is equal to 50 degrees. The question is when t is equal to 50 degrees. Now s is equal to, substitute here, s is equal to mt, m is 0.52, sigma t means 50 plus nt, n into b, b value 54.2, s is equal to 0. You see here, okay, m value 0.52 and b is given by the equation sigma s is equal to m sigma t plus nb. Substitute all the values, you get only unknown is b here. We have one equation and one unknown. From this equation we get b is equal to 54.2. The question is find s value when t is 50 degrees centigrade. S is equal to 0.52 into and m into sigma t plus nb is at 54.2, which is 80.2. So this is same as the line equation. Okay, in place of xy we have s and t. So here what is the conclusion? We fit the curve may be straight line anyone. Here we fitted straight lines by using the given data using least squares method.